You're practicing today with Hadiya Movement Systems, supporting your movement life. Get into it.
Hello, welcome to Hadiya Movement Systems. My name is Shani Ojukwu Mantenso, or Shani Om, Dr. Om. We are here for a 10 minutes tops Hadiya Yoga session. So today we're going to do Chandra Namaskar, so moon salutation, okay? So it's very different from sun salutation. All you need is your mat. The difference is that instead of going front and back on this plane, the forward and back plane, we're gonna do the side to side plane, okay? And moon salutation is a lot less, practiced as far as, in popularity, what we find in studios and gyms and things like that. But in our home practice, let's incorporate the moon a little bit, okay? The Chandra, the Luna, the moon. All right, so we're on the right side of the mat. Okay, and my feet are hip width apart, okay, and we'll take it slow, all right? So drawing in the navel, engaging the abdomen. On your next inhale, we're gonna raise the arms up overhead, taking our gaze, our drishti with us. Good, very nice. We're gonna exhale and we're gonna lean to the left. Good, and inhale, back to center, and lean over to the right. Good, and inhale, back to center. Then we're gonna take a huge left leg, open, 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 into a squat. I'm taking my mudra here, my fire and air mudra here, thumb and index finger, nice and low and wide, chest is up, heart is open. Good, now I'm gonna come to stand, lengthen the arms and legs, turn my right foot in, my left foot out. Good, and we're gonna go into Trikonasana here. So leaning forward, and you can find either your shin or your ankle, and raise that right arm up, taking your drishti with you, up to your right thumb, up to the ceiling. Good, we're gonna lower the right arm down. We're gonna find pyramid pose. Right arm down, left arm down. Good, so forehead toward shin, nose toward knee. Just an invitation, mine aren't there. Good. Now we're gonna go into a low, low lunge. Lower that back knee down to the floor, untuck the toes, raise the arms up overhead. Again, taking our drishti with us. Good, we're gonna lower the arms down. And we're gonna come to center and lean over to the left side, picking up the right toes, and see if we can lower the left heel down to the mat. So mine isn't all the way. Maybe if I lean back further, but it's the invitation, it's our intention. Up and over to the right side now, same posture. Trying to lower that right heel toward the mat. The left toes are up toward the ceiling. Good, now we're gonna take just the reverse of what we just did. So we're gonna turn and do a right lunge, lower that left knee down behind us, untuck the toes, raise the arms up overhead, taking our gaze with us. Good, lower those arms down. We're preparing for our pyramid pose. Picking up that the left toes, lengthening the right leg, and lowering the chin so the nose goes toward the knee. Now we're gonna find either that shin or that ankle in preparation for Trikonasana on the right side now. So opening the body, raising the left arm, looking up at the left thumb. Good, we're breathing this whole time, right? Now we're gonna come up and find kind of like our goddess pose, standing goddess pose. Good. And now we're gonna take a big, big step, right foot to left, all the way over here. Good, a little feet hip width apart, raising the arms overhead. And now we're gonna lean to the right this time. Exhale here. Inhale to stand, using the abdomen to come back to stand. Exhale to the left. And using that abdomen to come back to stand. Good. We're gonna come together, find our Pranamasana. So that was one side. So we'll do the other side together, okay? Good, and notice the difference, quite different, right? From sun salutation, this moon salutation. Good, so separate the feet hip width apart, raise the arms up overhead. Good, exhale to the right. Good, come back to center. Exhale to the left.
HadiyaMovement.com.
Good, inhale back to center. Now our big, huge, almost like a sumo wrestler kind of step. Good, and we're gonna sit deeply. Our arms are strong, very powerful. I really feel a goddess energy here. Good, now we're gonna lengthen the legs and arm. Palms are down, arms are parallel to the floor. Turn the back toes in. The right toe forward, toes forward. Good, preparing for our Trikonasana. Good, either that shin or that ankle. Good, taking our gaze up to that left thumb, up to the ceiling. Opening the heart. Good, lower that left arm down. On one side of your right foot, the right hand to the other, and find your pyramid pose. Squaring off the hips. Finding the nose toward the knee, the forehead toward the shin. Good, go ahead and send that back leg back, lower that back knee down, untuck the toes, raise the arms up overhead. Good, my hips are forward. Good, go ahead and bring the arms down, and we're gonna find that side kind of stretch. So picking up those left toes, lowering the right heel toward the mat. My arms are in front, yes. Good, and up and over to the other side. Long right leg, lowering that left heel. Good, now we're taking the whole sequence in reverse. So now we're gonna turn to the left side, lower the back knee down, untuck the toes, raise the chest and arms. And that chin toward our hands. Good, lowering the hands down, tuck the toes under, preparing for our pyramid pose, squaring off the hips. Good, and the crown of the head toward the foot, forehead toward the shin, nose toward knee. We're gonna find our Trikonasana, find that ankle or shin, raising the right arm up. Opening the arm, opening the face, the heart. Breathing in and breathing out. Good, now we're coming up, find our goddess. So turning those toes out, raising those arms, opening the chest. Good. And now the left foot is going to meet the right. Big, big step. Raising the arms. Separating the feet a little bit, hip width apart. And then we're gonna lean to the left this time. Exhale to the left. Inhale, upright. And exhale to the right. And inhale, upright. Feet together, let's find our Pranamasana. Good. Beautiful, beautiful. So just like Surya Namaskar, Chandra Namaskar, is meant to repeated. So, as many times as you feel, to deepen into the stretch, to coordinate the breath with the movement. So a full kind of synchronization with the movement, with each pose. And really saluting the moon, right? The beautiful moon and all her phases. And everything. So thank you so much for joining me. Beautiful, beautiful practice. My name is Dr. Om. This is Hadiya Movement Systems. I look forward to seeing you next time. Ashe and Namaste.